What if your business could keep running even when you're not working? I'm going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to automate the parts of my business that used to eat up hours of my day. Let's get into it. Running a small business means you're always on. Emails, staff communication, client follow-ups, documentation, it never stops. ChatGPT doesn't replace you, but it handles the repetitive stuff so you can focus on growth. Here's exactly how I use it every single day. First, email drafting. Every day I have emails to write. Client updates, staff reminders, follow-ups, complaint responses. I used to spend 30 minutes on emails alone. Now I describe what I need in one sentence, and ChatGPT writes a professional draft in seconds. I review it, adjust if needed, and send. What used to take 30 minutes now takes 5 minutes. Second, creating policies and documents. Every business needs written policies. HR documents, onboarding guides, staff handbooks. These used to take days to write. Now I tell ChatGPT what policy I need, what my business does, and what the key rules are, and it produces a professional document in minutes. I've built an entire operations manual this way. Third, social media content. Staying consistent on social media is one of the hardest things for a small business owner. I use ChatGPT to generate a week's worth of posts in one sitting. I give it my niche, my tone, and the message I want to send, and it writes captions, hooks, and hashtags ready to post. What used to take hours now takes 20 minutes. Fourth, research. Before I make any business decision, I need information. Market research, competitor analysis, industry trends. Instead of spending hours searching the internet, I ask ChatGPT to summarize what I need to know. It's not perfect, and I always verify important facts, but it gives me a solid starting point in seconds. Fifth, customer response scripts. Every business gets difficult questions, complaints, or situations that need a professional response. I use ChatGPT to help me craft responses that are firm, professional, and clear. I describe the situation, tell it the outcome I want, and it gives me language I can use or adapt. This alone has saved me from sending emails I would regret. ChatGPT is not magic. It won't run your business for you. But when you use it strategically, it acts like a business assistant that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and never calls in sick. Start with one of these 5 use cases this week and see how much time you get back. If this video helped you out, do 3 things right now. Hit the like button so more business owners can find this content. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 use cases you're going to try first. And subscribe so you never miss a video, because I drop real business and AI strategies every single week. See you in the next one.